Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adriana Putri and I'm from 9.5. Today I want to explain about biotechnology. So, what is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the science that studies the use of living organisms such as bacteria, viruses, and cells which help to produce products that are beneficial to humans. Biotechnology can also be defined as the use of technology to manipulate and control biological processes. There are two types of biotechnology, which is the traditional biotechnology and also the modern technology. Biotechnology. The traditional biotechnology uses like the original form of the viruses. Meanwhile, the biotechnology uses a more complex process. Uh, the applications of biotechnology. Biotechnology has many applications in various fields, including the first is medicines field. Biotechnology used to develop medicines, vaccines, and gene therapies for the human being. Second is agriculture. Biotechnology is used to develop crops that are more resistant to pests and disease and have higher yields. And also, the in in the agricultural sector, many scientists are cloning the best types of gene from the plant to produce more plants that have the same purposes as it. The third is the industry. Biotechnology is used to develop products such as biofuels, bioplastics, and also enzymes. The fourth is environment. Biotechnology is used to develop technologies that can help reduce pollution and develop more sustainable natural resources. There are some types of example from the biotechnology products, including the first is insulin, which produced by bacteria that can help humans from uh, to help their blood sugar. And then the second is vaccines produced by viruses, which can help humans to have more body immune to protect them from the illness outside. The third is crops that have been genetically modified to have improved traits. This is used in so many agricultural sectors, like I said before, like some of the seeds and also the plants itself. The fourth is biofuels produced from biomass. Potential and challenges of biotechnology has a great potential to improve human life and develop more sustainable natural resources. However, biotechnology also has risks and challenges that need to be addressed, such as safety and ethics concerns, because sometimes when we consume too much of the biotechnology products, we can get some kind of symptoms like diarrhea or maybe some kind of allergic reaction from it. So we must be careful. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.